A vessel is in the form of a hemispherical bowl surmounted by a hollow cylinder and a same diameter. The diameter of the hemispherical bowl is 14 centimeter. Okay, let's just underline this. And the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the vessel. Okay, let's try to understand what the problem is. First of all, we have given us hemispherical bowl. So the shape of the bowl is something like this. Then we are saying that it is surmounted by a hollow cylinder in the same diameter. So let's say this is the hollow cylinder of the same diameter. Now the diameter of hemispherical bowl is 14 centimeter. It means this area is 14 centimeter, and the height of this vessel, the height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. This is the height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. So we need to find the total surface area of the vessel. So this is the vessel, this is the area, the shaded area we need to find. In order to find this area, first of all we need to find this height. What is this height of this vessel? We don't know that. We know the complete height because it is surmounted by a hollow cylinder. We know this complete height, but we don't know this height. So first of all, we'll try to find this height. How will we find this height? This is the diameter. This is the total area, that is 14. If we will consider it half, then it becomes 7 centimeter. This is the total height, that is 13 centimeter. We need to find this height. How we'll find this? Let's see. So we had that cylinder and this hollow vessel. We need to find this height and from this height. So this height is equals to total height of the vessel, that is 13 centimeter, minus radius of the hemispherical bowl, that is this was 14, so it becomes 7. Radius is half of the circle or anything. Radius is, height is equal to r by 2. So radius becomes 7. 6 centimeter is the height. Then we need to find the total surface area of the vessel. That the total surface area of that vessel. This vessel total area. So that is 2 into curved surface area of the cylinder, surface area of the cylinder, hollow cylinder, plus the curved surface area of the hemisphere, this hemisphere we are talking about, and twice because of the vessel is hollow. So we are applying the formula here. We know that the value of pi is 22 by 7. We know that our radius is 7 centimeter. We have already find that. We know that height is, we have already find that, and we know the radius and pi. So by calculating the whole amount, we are getting this result.